In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse video in Clipchamp 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to get a reverse clip using Clipchamp alongside a simple online tool and how to bring it right back into your project for final polishing. Start by opening Clipchamp in your browser and finishing your edit. Make sure any trims, cuts, text, or effects are exactly how you want them before reversing. When you're satisfied, click Export. Choose either 720p for lightweight, quick shares, or 1080p for higher quality and most social platforms. Higher resolutions look better, but take longer to render and upload. Confirm your export settings, then let Clipchamp render the file and download it to your computer. Give the file a clear name so you can spot it quickly in the next step. Next, use a video reversing tool online. Open a trusted site such as Clideo or Capwing. Upload the video you just exported from Clipchamp, then select the reverse video option. Most tools let you mute the audio or change speed. Reversed audio can sound distracting or noisy, so muting is often a good idea if you plan to add music later. If the motion feels too slow or too jittery, try a slight speed adjustment to smooth things out. When you're happy with the preview, click Export or Download. Free plans may add a watermark or limit duration. If that matters for your project, check the settings before finalizing. To preserve quality, keep the output resolution consistent with what you exported from Clipchamp. Download the reversed file to your computer. Now return to Microsoft Clipchamp. In your project, upload the reversed video to your media library, then drag it onto the timeline. You can place it as a new clip, align it with existing edits, or use it to replace a forward motion clip for that rewind effect. Play it back in the preview to confirm timing, cadence, and any transitions. If you muted audio earlier, this is a great moment to add background music or subtle sound effects that match the reversed motion. Check that your transitions, captions, and overlays still read well in reverse. A quick trim or reposition usually does the trick. That's the full process. Export from Clipchamp, reverse with an online tool, then re-import and refine. Save your project, and when you're happy, export your final video at the resolution you need. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating those eye-catching reverse moments.